Okasa oyo ho etese party no ekufa do aban no na wonka ho asa wo party na pe wa bem ken boni pa miense ni ado o mo course na ado mo contract ena na ado amfa ma wo mo boni pa miense din
Queen Afia say go sinu ko kwapa on tiase ese Kennedy Agyapong abebu say Bawumia and find x Bawumia find the value of x Afia say on tiase tell me obe clash with Kennedy Agyapong akompre kwa Japan Afia abe clash with him asemo na nsemo etwa media no so dey nsemo onchire mu no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media best friend say ni di mo obe like video no ada ma boss subscribe button so be click notification icon latest update am be kire wadwen di ama me e wo comment section best so obaswa no akere for so anya bi ahwe edu media no so dey abusia the camp of Bawumia and the camp of Kennedy Agyapong. There's a constant conflict between them. Just a omumie no menim so munim so me party ba koma dey but mentimo ase abedo omuntem twintwan na ne nyina akọfa ba nyina ne say I want to call 24 election Bawumia NPP enya 42%. Ana Bawumia kire mu say ene so enya 42% there ene aka 9%. 89% ebe so say wenya 51%, 50 plus 1. That's meaning say we are running about one no. Enho ene ma hweso akoye t-shirt akire kire aka 9%. And was I any check account, a cap account, I cannot pay. Now I cannot pay. Anna Kennedy Agyapong the camp almost tiase. Before say Bawumia camp, ever first slogan say I cannot pay. Not Kennedy Agyapong almost kind almost slogan. Almost slogan quite to me a disastrous slogan. Because almost slogan and it say no can, no votes. Meaning say by fire, by one, by day. Say delegate Elkotoa but omenya kwa about no munyai na yemfa Kennedy Agyapong na emra as flag bearer enye sas yamfa Kennedy ama eni omu enipa bia de bagina ama NPP bia in the ticket of NPP bia omu ntoma no omu ntoaba no it no can no vote and I see this as a threat and a disastrous slogan because someone can no can no vote there eni Bawumia so camp eka say eni no Bawumia no vote. Next a Brian Champion camp, I say no Brian Champion no vote here. See the Kennedy Agyapong equa or don't qua the camp vote do was say and obey me a poorly. Vote do was say because Bawumia call here 2024 or make it up to 42%. And the vote on ya yeah I man go 42% no or munina cast omu and two because can't force no can no vote. And I'm going to camp until we can say almost to Kennedy. That 42% yaka so mun to Kennedy Agyapong. Vote to do say na Ken e Penyah general election. Come to think of this. What I say, and that slogan to me, a disastrous. I know can no vote in there. I was penny for me before because enye. There was a that way na ekosuna no. Anna as counter defense to Akana Penyah Bawumia slogan no. Kennedy Agyapong be kan semi na nsen. E ho no go yitum say oh Mahama 2016 Olusi with over 1 million vote and 1 million vote no or 8 years 8 years na say Bawumia so Olusi with 1.7 million votes there any year on find the value of S because 1 million is equal to 8 years 81.7 votes no equal to how many years Bawumia and finding the value of X
national 1.7 million votes deficit. Tabe na abeti obi si na abeti si as obi si akanai. Yeah, akanai. Mahama lost with the vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi lose 1.7 million there. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X. Find X. Yeah, and you pay can or post say Mahama Atimia ko waba after 8 years was okay, good. So if you are using that language, Mahama or the 1 million votes deficit and a continent here. And what the 8 years and into 1.7 million votes deficit, you know. I have 3 years in identity.
Now, some value of X here, Kennedy Agyapong with a question. That's a true question no to Bawumia camp. Ama, me no gasi alko media na so a. Edis for that sumu ed trade NPP for say the trouble me question and just say and this for nanya solid grounds are already making fun of NPP. E go NPP fight training was say NPP crown. Just say munye ready, munye serious. And a man for we just say Kennedy Agyapong can was starting in money because back at 2022. Year co primaries mono. Obi busa Kennedy Agyapong question say Kennedy as you know the party person of you start to show that person free party muko but unfree mo. Ye busa question say moko primaries no flagship race na wan wene a ube free mu and I say unfree. Asma kan say well wan wene flagship race na on free party na mum obetiti wo mu
when we need 4th November now on free MPP
condition. Not yes, me free, but metinum, no metiti.
Wow, party.
Yeah, metiti.
You know who they see 24 election anymore. From 2022, Ken and Ezra MPP do my term as MPP for him consider for no ko nim dentia or belong to that party. Just say Ken mindset you say yen for no kwa na emra. Yen for no kwa na imagine ho. The young uncontested. It to me, Ken doesn't have the party at heart. Or he's there for his selfish interest. He dreams say or no president. Apart from no there. The person is not fit. He's not a well-deserved candidate. Aside or no or Jinhudi, so or no bit the party name. And that shouldn't be the mindset. In that question, I can Agyapong about Bawumia and it comes to Omun Solve and find a vote of X and no any officials nigga, any TikTokers about like Kennedy Agyapong.
Okasa, oyo ete se party no. Ekufa do aban no. Na won ka. Asa wo party na pe wa bem. Ken, bonipa miense din ado o mu ko se na na do mo contract. E na na do an fa ma wo mo. Bonipa miense din. Kennedy Agyapong bonipa miense din. A wo do o mu ko se na na do me nkrofo ni. Mo contract a na na do ama wo mo. Sa bonipa miense din. A contract mo sesama wo no. O sablete wo mo. Bo party no nipa miense din. A contract no mo so ama wo no. Wo Kennedy Agyapong o sablete wo mo. Se menya contract enti kwabena mo show hwan bra ne be bobi mame. Bonipa miense din. Ebi ni ho enti Kennedy, you are the X. If you say we should find the X, you are the X. You are the X. You are the X. You are the S. You are the S, Ken. You are the S. You are the S. You are the S, Ken. You are the S. One woman with boys. Eko JJ dying. Ewa akotia. Knowing very well, say, Moon fam man kurofubi. The reason why akotia boys ne koyo mwenya baby ana. Eya Ken wa. Wo any kodua. Ken, eya wuni kodua. Eya wonsanwo adwuma. Eya wonsanwo adwuma. Me party mi nso bia mebo wudi assets. Kodua mi nua no ye fifie ba ko ba wo jimi ameka. You are the S. You are the S. The S you ask us to find. I have found it for the NPP. And they must X you out. They must X you out. You are the problem of the party. What in the boko for na meka acho no almost would jimmy na nka omasembiem almost would jimmy na nka omasembiem boko for no almost would jimmy no so what do wo ye wukru as politics na over the two almost so almost you are the Kennedy X na also mo fine no and na me ma sister na me ye calculation ma be say na me calculate. Now me calculate. Ken, you are the X. You are the problem of the NPP. You are the problem. You are the downfall. Won kwani nipa menya obi enya. Menya meseya die na me dia hwede ochire. Hwede ochire. Wo mo ke Bawumia 41%. Now won ka benya 12%. Cabinet 12%. Apart from 30% of Bawumia voters will be antoma. Ghana for ni omo adwene se be ma nyanse ni nitiri. Omo koto aba ma no there bi. Be ma okuma ntokwa wo bi ani saada. De na Kennedy wo ya am ka no. Kai. Ya no munuro no. Wo dada wo bebre kwa. Wo dada nje na ke kan answer na ko du fi a. Wo da adwen wo zen. Wo da adwen wo zen. Or that because behind this for him to get himself here. The here's NPP for the Kennedy, but by campaign. Once again, said they born a voice. T. Almost said your mother voice. A campaign tea about Bawumia. Son would be a campaign. And I was a wood the any day time bar. Yeah, Babu Bawudia. NPP form way. NPP form way. NPP form him answer. NPP form kwasiafo and NPP form way. Eh boy here. But I got nothing that you are the S. You are the S. Omo ya de meka. Omo ya mi donya me de meka for NPP no. Up till now won't mean kind. Kennedy. You want to lead these criminals. These criminals. Huh? Criminals ya beka said you my ye Ghana for. Omo ya de wo beka. Ye be free wenu mamba. Send people before you, they dare you. You want to lead these criminals? Hmm? You want to lead these criminals? You are a very greedy man. Go and sit down. Go and sit down and respect yourself. You are a very greedy man. Go and sit down. What that's what you're trying. What's in what people saw bribe you $800 million? Kennedy, up till now, you can't tell us who wanted to bribe you $800 million. Huh? You are a very greedy motherfucker. Go and sit down. Go and sit your ass down. Put your knife and baby and humble yourself. Never won you. Ever vitamins count. Say the baby and that. We are still waiting for you to come and show us who wanted to bribe you that 800 million. Where is that money? Kennedy. Nipakwana no press of Bible $800 million. The Kennedy away. You talk too much. You speak a lot of chaff. You talk too much. Think everybody is in your pocket. You can lose talk on waiting there about beer swab blackmail or beer can your pay because you wanna be a president. My friend, go and sit somewhere. Go and sit down and be humble. Humble. You are the ex. You are the ex. Unyama wo kind people asema. Wo can't say the party na won ka ho. And one share boys no. And we are who go share party for. God Media, send it to me. DM me. God Media. DM me.
Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong. So you made your mind that you are taking the party to opposition again. So all what you did in 2024, it is not sweet you. Because if it was not you, then the party will never get chance in government. Really? So today you are telling us that 1 million vote is equal to 8 years in opposition. What about 1.7 million vote? We should find the X. You are the X. You are the problem causer for this party. You are making everything for this party to not succeed because of your selfishness. Of course, the delegates knows everything. The delegates are watching. Inshallah, whatever you are planning, it will not work. It will not work. You will cry one more again. You will cry and cry again. So you are trying to rearm the government with weapons on New Patriotic Party. If today you did not do anything, tomorrow Brana will do something. If tomorrow is Kennedy Agyapong, another day is Brana Champon. So you guys are now teaming up against Bawumia. No problem. No problem. We live to see. Yes. Life goes on.
Yeah, I mean, I know before. I'm saying you were honorable Kennedy Agyapong my committee. I see him confining X. Now, me dear, me X will jina maintain, honorable Kennedy Agyapong will jina maintain dear. There, Miss Hako baby for call me X. X, honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Because someone who kafa MPP home any you were Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia home. You better about 2024 abano. And no the dear baby ye dream. And the ensign could try home could baby and could can't say Yanko find X. Meanwhile, so X in your one gasa. It you yensan go find away. Adia X in your one gasa. It yensan go find X in a way. On Tiasie said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a canai pet. And on Tiasie. But all policy, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia, or say I can't deny pet, no across 50 plus 1. Or only Nasama or come. And to also dear na walker. And no, you won't mean count. Policies are all day Baba to Jano. Or no book in Japan, won't mean count. Moon be to mean funny policy ma. But asema Dr. Mamudu Bawumia Becano, and no a more how. And no ye more how. Yabatu about 2024. A dear Sam Nawanka, a dear when no some na NDC for a general to be campaign. Oh, yeah, I'll be just oh, your grassroots. Oh, your grassroots, no, Obia won't mean for party, no one some NCA, never wouldn't pabonting, and become Obia Tibino. Oh, catch us, oh, your grassroots. Oh, sorry, I'll see when near ding. When near ding and a muska, now uncle for ye probia the near ding. A mamu nyani a ding a dibu a mamu. A mamu nyani a ding, a mamu a yadrine. How you plan ahead, bet 10 years, the opposite of your mind, and that's all mine, it's all mine you do. And only a day, nyani a ding a dibu a mamu. It won't pebe position, ye castle be a near dear, and ka MPP, you see a yearly charmer, Kachama, we see MPP charmer, ye see a bubble, ye power, it may pechama, mufa charmer, and mammy. And no, yes, oh, yenny a thing, you will say, Dunkatia, party no quam ye him, or budget charmer sinning also at the party number power. And no, less and kawaye, charmer, mufa charmer, mammy. Na me fa party no e ma power e no yes we ni edin wo de party na nye amamu nye eni edin o me ka kire wo amamu nye ni edin no we ni edin na ko ni nye edin se yewura na na akufo ado we ni edin we ni nye edin chen no enso wo tena ho e ke kan sem egu yewura Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ho fi abra ye beto about 2024 enye wa na aka se MPs ububu MPs bia edi honorable Henry Kote how akomsi mu nyina so be make sure so be lose your seat ampa ukutwetwe ska ke kan sem mo lose your seat ne amene MPs bebre o mo lose your seat ade ya o mo am support o enti eni o be mu o mo lose your seat kwame ye plan na betina TV so say wona wo frɛ no say MPP for the scaba ne constituency ho anyewa kwame ye plus na e kan Renu masem, so one na book Kennedy Agyapong na afraid no. It will be a wound to me for party in some NCA. Party be a emu on sebu, and so omudi see, and so the papa one thing. Maybe say X a yawa. X a yawa. More why you say agenda number set is more targeted 2032. It is a Dr. Mamudu Bawumia, two abamana, who be making sure some more money be the president of Ghana. Na yehu atiasi Yankopon tiasi MPP mu ye de mu ye ni nyina ye kwa hem se utimi time wo bia no wanya bayi udi obi ho asem se otirim se afi na da na obayi eno bi na ye mo no fa wo policy ba tudwa na ye ntie eno de da bi Dr. Mamudu Bawumia de obe attack no Dr. Mamudu Bawumia se ono aka ne na epe o policy ye de fa wo de bra eno so aye bo achibidin there be another Dr. Mamudu Bawumia na musi de konso. Ade na moji ono. Ade na woji Dr. Mamudu Bawumia odoka. For policy betudwa. Yam kwati am say na MPP me farm forms no. Omo sa so omo sa me 4 billion. Ukofa forms sa ayiri nya no omo fa betudwa say o be file a obeji 4 billion. And now nya we. On say party ni mo mbra kwa o fa nya dwuma. Party ni mo mbra umfanya dwuma obeka che say MPP for na ama enkofo contract a woji bi ma we no emu sika se na ade bere party no contract sika se na onya o emu sika se na ade bere party no oji bi ma ye contract emu sika se na onya ye se na ade bere party no eti mejino di kasa ansem no no me say omo targeted 2032 e ya dwom bone e wo mu tirim e no mo de yesa na no na menua wo ye delegate no ye wadwe say o koto wa ba ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia no mo konkomo so mo wo mo so adwom bone o ma fa wo party no ho no na nyame ya adoma 2028 MPP beba power inshallah Me do bibi aso oba so nwa sha ma anu aso TV. Me da masi bibiri.
It's not true.
Really?
No, it's not true.
See, when we need 4th November now, on free MPP.
I said more.
Condition. Like me say me free, but me tell them, me tell you.
Wow, party.
Yeah, me tell you, but.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, in a respectful manner, a patch of so can find as a one Casaune as a NPP party. One Casancasa as a NPP party man. Also, the party no from a better party no. It is all Casanco find as a woo somehow kind NBC for general of the year campaign. Editor MPP. It is all Casanco find as an S and Casa and a woo. It is Tino Nase, we are S and Casa.
Na papa wo memu 28/7 na wo kan kwase asem we na moto na ma besie di nachi no kin no vote mo ye moa mo ka sen kwase afo na be dian bibie no mo ka sen kwase afo ene ye ko fana be go se o sika mo bo patam Afia shasine ga o twa kankan we obinim timi ka che obinim se na yere dress kakraka timi ka che obinim yiri ini dina temuda ase masa man your west o ya boa kwa me UK o se uni twa se di wate nkankan se was aboa nchome yale fo ba man your west kwa se Kenya pon kasa o ka che so man west kwa se ya ensema o kan na me repeat wa durima wa ni shegia me man west kwa se. Do you think say you on the camera for me? Do you on the camera for me?
When I work in Japan with this kind of mathematics, yeah, and yes, our women be done there. Who 20 years old because who unko be crying was all lose 1 million votes and now 500 and now 1 B ABR. Into the way better take you 30 years old. Or mathematics we are why they just also call baby because the okay can the NSS DMB a bigger chance because only in himself can 1.7 million. Now Waka was saying, I can 50 plus 1. Into mathematics, we are yes, sir. Corner beam.
In the papa pa, you know, say, or no dear, or best say party because of bayinti. Because Yakas will be a bayer, and you will be a wood to neighbor fool. Any power and against what best say a dear. Or my dear, be a bay fool. O big be or serious be or no dear was it at the pa a friend at the power be our bay fool. In the papa who you was say, or no dear, or best say a dear. When you be musu dinechi, a man say a dear. In the papa fool. She more MPP national executives nina muntiminya adwuma na mo fa adwuma ne ntoora mo sole nko adwuma no muntiminya mo fa ntoɔ na mo sole nko we nipa bɔnefo mo nya twom ne pese minkum nyanti nya twom ne pese minkum nyanti o man ne sɛ kura mo pe nya twom ne pese minkum nya adai ene mpanimfo mo bob adai ade na mo gye ade na mo gye di nyame aye mi wonya mu sei biem omo ma gye positions amo ho adwo man na japade yes still sankofo no eso mo nto wo mo hwio man japade o mo so mo nto wo mo yes still kese enyo no e ni nuanti ene wo mpene ene kade ni nyina ansei kani nyina ansei samude musimun sanfa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ma na samose mo bekọ akofa obi ede na ba mo kofa ne mfa ne mla se de nso ye ne sa na wi abe ye ka kire mo se muntimi nkole no to order okojira ba bia na akeka nsem huna na afa ne ho adi kojira ba bia na akeka.
So yan hwe Kennedy Agyapong video we wi abra na yan educate Kennedy Agyapong ehun hia pa
national 1.7 million votes deficit. Tabe na beti obi si na beti si as obi si akanai. Yeah, akanai. Mahama lost with a vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi lose 1.7 million here a year. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, Therefore, 1.7 is equal to what? X. Find X.
You better say you like Kennedy Agyapong. That's how I call last week. Moon repeat you, baby, because S3. Sabinya Sabia nim woman crofo S3 no. Now you see, me baby expose the poverty in this thinking. Nyabutenity in here very important. In 2016, Nana Done Mahama na contest ye no Mahama Gabo, 1 million votes. In 2020 elections, no Mahama and me win because or signing another and a contest ye old candidate. And a ma voter difference no and as a vote gap no every day so from 1 million about 540,000 votes. Now TIA very important. In 2024 Nana Adwan contested our elections nibium. NPP ye presente a new candidate Dr. Bawumia. Na sa new candidate na ye presente ye no Emma Mahama Hoden. Emma Otimi free a vote deficit of 540,000. Ebe ma ye candidate new candidate no vote gap of 1.7 million votes. Nashe, in 2028 elections, no, Mahama won't copy NDC will bring a new candidate. Na Ghana, your political history since 1992. Actually, and say, anytime a political party be and say NPP, say NDC, I did new candidate bebano, or shall say free zero, or inherit the voter base, and I say voter, the previous candidate are almost presented, no, so he started from scratch. And to that analogy, Kennedy Agyapong making a lame, a feeble, sabi, nyansabi, it doesn't hold any water. NDC candidate, will not inherit Mahama in 56 point something percent. Unyaye in 2024 elections, he will be starting from zero. But Dr. Bawumia on the other side, our year-old candidate, will be starting from 41.75%. And then in the Kasa. Dr. Bawumia in 2024 elections was facing the worst acrimonious, devastating adversaries ever. Never see that. And MPP was at its lowest. Dr. Bawumia was fighting internal sabotages. Kennedy Agyapong they were working against him. Samson, a global financial crisis, economic crisis, and also was working against Dr. Bawumia. And NDC phones no more didn't drop propaganda. And the promises I can say, Dr. Bawumia. But in all this, if you are seeing Dr. Bawumia, he was able to get 41.75%, which I say, and not a vote base and a voter base. That is the fraction of the voter population. Regardless of what happened, they will stick with Dr. Bawumia. They will vote for him any day because at his lowest, that is what he got. And in the next election, 2028 elections, Dr. Bawumia will be starting from 41.75%. And NDC new candidate, he will be starting from 0%. And that gives us the upper hand. But Medima no Babe Sinum, Yansha MPP presenting a new candidate to say Kennedy Agyapong as against NDC, new candidate or modern beba. And in 2028, assuming say NDC for the Julius Debra Julius Debra will be starting from 0% because there is no scandal about him on Korea dear on Korea corruption be on Didi will be at time, so he will be starting on a clean sheet 0%. But then Kennedy Agyapong, presenting Kennedy Agyapong, he's not going to start from 0. He's going to start from -50. -50 because he's coming with a lot of packages. MPP, you will be struggling to fight because one. Only Ghana man was at the word go because or the MRC the deal matemo the team matem left right center. Into at the word go no. I feel na wo pa be pacho, wo be pa Ghana man nyina acho. Na wa convention so mo to abama no. Afei na wo ba bepa ehiafo nyina a wadi di omatem atchom na wa convention say omonto abama no. Afei na wo ba bepa ayigbefo ne eye nkranfo a wose ye nkoku omo no atchom na wa convention say omonto abama no. Afei na wo ba bepa farmers fo atchom farmers a wose omo ye nkwasiafo pan say omanya sika na omo de kwa akoye farm. Wo ba bepa omo no wa convention say omonto abama Kennedy Agyapong. So you will be starting from -50. and fight your way through. Now, Busa who said that Ben and Kennedy Agyapong no, all by fighting from negative 50, abedru even 25%. Per on analogy no. Ebe taking a 50 years and some were free negative 50 no. Edi aba somewhere 20%. So he can never win the next elections. And this candidate be a homo did paper 2028. All the Kennedy Agyapong kope ebe free rider man. But Dr. Bawumia has the 41.75% already at any day. They will vote for him. Aka na pe. Ya de be kan ho. We win elections am I in 2028.
Chirawa Mame, comment section. Hi, Penyah Media, Accra.